My name is Noga, and I'm the CEO and founder of Food Impact Partners.
Hi, I'm Anna, and I'm the Recruitment Director at Food Impact Partners.
We're a boutique recruiting and executive search firm for the food innovation industry. We specialize in recruiting for any company that is improving the food system. Every single person on our team cares deeply about improving the way we produce food today. And we are relentless when it comes to finding the best candidates. Our forte is food innovation. This is where we spend all of our time at conferences talking to people in this space, and this is where our network is.
Where I really add value is those really difficult skilled, hard to find positions, whether it's highly technical or whether there just aren't many people working within that space. We can put you in front of the best talent, whether they're actively looking or not.
If you're hiring and you're not thrilled with your options, come talk to us.